Welcome to my apartment. I mean our apartment, because I have this beautiful doggy. I thought I would do a quick apartment tour so you guys could see what our apartment looks like, because that is one of the recommended videos that you do when you're a new YouTuber. So apartment tour is coming up. I have a rustic-y theme going on in my in my kitchen and my living room, so you will see that. And yeah, so just stay tuned because I am really proud of my apartment. Alright, so when you first walk in, there's immediately a coat closet, and this coat closet is literally filled because I have a lot of coats and I have a lot of shoes. So, and that's all the Christmas stuff that I had to put away. So anyways, coat closet, and then if you come over here, I have a key rack that has all mine and Willow stuff on it, and then my fridge always has pictures on it. There's a few that are always on it. I actually can't show that because it has kids in it. But anyways, there's a few that are always on it. And then whenever I have like a wedding I'm in, I like put their invitation on it. It won't focus, but I'm going to be in their wedding this summer, so that's super exciting. And then I have the hockey schedule because hockey's life. And then another Will You Be My Bridesmaid thing. Then up here I have something that I made at a DIY place. Made that there. And then I have all of my kitchen stuff. So I have my mason jars because I am obsessed. And then my fake flowers. And then I have my towels. One says, I teach what's your superpower. And I really like this apartment because it's all granite, which I think is so fancy. So anyways. Then I have my crock pot, my recipe thing. And then this is my laundry room, but I don't really know why you would want to see it. It's literally just a laundry room / storage. And then I have my spice rack that I got from IKEA, my dish thing, my sink, and then my plate. So I bought square plates because I thought it'd be cool, and they actually don't fit in my cabinet or in my cupboard. So that's why they're here and not in the cupboard, because they don't fit. So then I have my kitchen table, and I actually should lock my door, but by the door I have The Mountains Are Calling and I Must Go. I made that, I think, while I was in college because I've wanted to move to Colorado since I was little. I can share that story too if you would like me to. Then I have this cute little chevron thing with some pictures on it. I Can't Adult Today. Some like different things that people have gotten me that are on the wall. Then I made that. And I have another one over here to match. And then I actually did this thing in the middle too. It's just a door that I painted. And then I found some cool things to put on it. So, yeah. And then I have my couch and my rug. And Willow's pillow case for her bed is actually being washed right now. That's why it looks so lame. But I had to wash it because she had a bone on it. So gross. And then I have my TV watching Nashville. You know, it's cool. And then I have this pillow that I made, which took 500 years. I can do a DIY video on it, but it literally took 500 years, and I wanted to kill it by the end of it, so I don't know. Then I have my heated blanket, and then this little thing, which is really cool. It has Willow's dog treats in it, and then just like a cute little thing that says beware of dog kisses. And there's Willow, just chilling. She could literally be like a model. I have 2 fuzzy pillows, my fuzzy blanket, and then I have my, what's this called? Your something wall? Focus wall. I don't know. It's called a focus wall in education, but I don't know. So, it has pictures of my best friends in it from Ohio, dogs, another Ohio thing, and a mountain thing. Then it has a mirror. Then, if you keep walking, you go around to like the bar section, whatever this is. Isn't this called a bar thing? I don't know. And then I have this little thing with little baby pictures of me. And then I have this really cool clock that I found at Hobby Lobby that I fell in love with, so I got it. What's that thing? That's weird. And then I have my bar stools. This is all Willow stuff. Her dog food goes in there. And then she has her dog treats. I had to put it higher up because she likes to swat at it with her foot and the food goes everywhere. So if I put it higher up, she can't do that. Then I have a candle because I always have candles because I'm obsessed. Then I have this fishy. Wow, it really will not focus on the fish. So, anyways, those are the fishies. I think they're really cute. So I have 2 fishes. Then I have this sign that I got for my brother and sister-in-law, and it was in their wedding. And then I brought it because I liked it. And then I have another thing, that's Jeremiah 29:11, favorite verse in the world. And then I have this little corner that has a mason jar thing in it, a horse, and it's just like one of those corners that you can decorate, which I think is really cool. And then if you go right here, you get into the guest bathroom. So there's the shower curtain, and this is nice because it's an actual bathtub. And then the sink, which has the more fake flowers and me. Hi. And towel rack. And then it has this cute little towel thing. And then this thing that my grandparents got me. And then if I keep going, there's like a linen closet right here, which is a mess, so I'm not going to show you it. And then right here is my guest room. So it has a comfy bed, and then it has this thing right here, and then the pillowcase right there. I actually tie-dyed this summer with my friend. We like went on this crazy tie-dye spree and tie-dyed everything. So I have those two things, and then I also have this that my best friend made me in college. And then this was kind of like a girls' night that we did here. We went to like this painting thing, and I painted this. It was really fun. And then I have my curio closet that has my diploma and my cap, that lost letters. And then more pictures, notes from parents. And then it has, this is really funny, it has this board, and my friends update it whenever they come. I mean, I do the notes, but they do like the actual calendar part. And since they just update it every single time they come, I don't update it anymore at all. So the last time my friend came was August, and it's just really funny. It kind of cracks me up. And then my friend's coming again in March, so yeah, it's just fun. And then I have this that was in my room when I was little. And then more pictures I painted. I have a lot of pictures I painted in here and in the closet because I don't really know what to do with them, but I like to paint them. So, yep. Climb every mountain. And then you go into my bedroom. I figured I would show you it with the lights off first, and then I'll show you the lights on. So I have a wall mural, and I put these lights on, and then I have Polaroid pictures of me and my friends. And then it like lights it up. It looks really pretty. I actually do it like this at night a lot just because it's really relaxing, and I really like it. So that's it with the lights off. Then if I turn the lights on, it still looks really cool, but it looks like this. And then I have another ledge that goes across my whole wall right here, which I think is really cool. And I just have some paintings I did. My license plates from Ohio, Toothless, that my friend got me in college because I love Toothless. And then I have this that has all of my friends on it. You can see the lights in the background. Friends and family are on that, so that's really cool. And there's kids on it, so I can't really show that either. But I have this big wall thing that I'll show really fast. I can't focus because I have kids on it from student teaching, and I don't want to put their pictures on the internet. So I have that. I have this. That's really cool. And this is my bathroom. So it's a walk-in bathroom. It has a huge mirror. And yes, I changed my hair because it's a little while later because I realized while I was filming that my whole comforter was in the washer. So yeah, but anyways, I have this door mirror that's really neat, that I love, I actually did that recently, and I got it from the At Home store, and I love it really. And then I have a picture of me and my best friend, and it actually holds all my necklaces, which is kind of funny. And then I have my toothbrush holder, all, you know, the typical stuff. So all that stuff. Then I have my makeup, another best friend picture, all my curling rods and straighteners, you know, the toilet. And then I have a walk-in closet, which I'm in love with because I've never had a walk-in closet my whole life. So, and I have a ton of clothes, if you can't tell. I have this huge dresser filled with clothes, and my pants didn't fit, so they have to go up there. It's a problem. I'm trying not to show you very much so you don't judge me, but I also have this chevron shower curtain. So that is my room, and this brings me to the very end of my apartment tour. Thank you so much for watching. I've been wanting to do an apartment tour, but it just hasn't been clean enough yet, which sounds really bad, but it's kind of true. And for the video Monday, hopefully, crossing my fingers that it doesn't snow and ruin it, I'm having people over. So I wanted to make sure it was clean when I had people over. So I was like, I can finally do an apartment tour because my apartment is literally spotless. So yeah, anyways, On that note, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe below, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you. Bye.